3, 2, 1.
उससे पहले माइकल जॉर्डन, Kobe Bryant, they were global icons. They transcended the boundaries of sport and became global icons that we aspire towards, and many of you aspire towards their shoes as well. I'm not a sneakerhead, but you do you. हाल ही में, in a match between the Denver Nuggets and the Phoenix Suns, this man, Nikola Jokic, created history. He became the first player in NBA history to make a 30-20-20, यानी कि 30 से ज्यादा पॉइंट स्कोर किए, 20 से ज्यादा असिस्ट दिए और 20 से ज्यादा रीबाउंड दिए.
That might have been the game, that offensive rebound right there, if they score here. And they will! Jokic with assist number 20. The first ever 30-20-20 game in the history of the NBA. Nikola Jokic continuing to show he's one of the greatest of all time.
अब ट्रिपल डबल तो बहुत होता है, यानी कि आप डबल फिगर्स में जाते इन तीनों कैटेगरीज में. आप कभी-कभार 20 पॉइंट, 10 रीबाउंड, 10 असिस्ट भी कर लेते हैं, पर ये उपलब्धि किसी ने पहले नहीं की थी. एंड विच इज व्हाई इट्स सच अ बिग मोमेंट इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ बास्केटबॉल. एंड बास्केटबॉल तो एज द इयर्स हैव गॉन ऑन हैज गॉटन रेवोल्यूशनाइज्ड एनीवे. आपको पिछले कुछ साल याद होंगे जहां पर दबदबा जारी था गोल्डन स्टेट वॉरियर्स का, where Steph Curry redefined the art of three-point shooting, and him and Klay Thompson, the Splash Brothers, made a splash, literally made a splash in the world of basketball, and they dominated because all they used to do is catch the ball, shoot, catch the ball, shoot.
And here's Curry for the record. It's good! And there it is! Stephen Curry! Three-pointer number 2974. The man who changed the game. The igniter of the three-point revolution in the NBA. And now he stands alone at the top of the three-point list.
उससे पहले माइकल जॉर्डन, कोबी ब्रायंट, they were global icons because of not only who they were on court but beyond the court as well. They transcended the boundaries of sport and became global icons that we aspire towards, and many of you aspire towards their shoes as well. I'm not a sneakerhead, but you do you. Anywho, getting back to the point. अब ये है कि निकोला योकिच ने इतनी बड़ी उपलब्धि तो प्राप्त कर ली, लेकिन ज्यादा लोग जानते क्यों नहीं? Why is basketball not as popular as other sports? That's not saying that it's not popular. It's hugely popular, but why is it not as popular as other sports? और इसके कोई कारण है. The first reason that comes to my mind is the fact that it's a relatively new sport. 1891 में स्थापना हुई थी बास्केटबॉल की. एक पीटी टीचर थे मिस्टर जेम्स नेस्मिथ करके, जो स्प्रिंगफील्ड मैसाचुसेट्स में अपने बच्चों को कुछ खिलवाना चाहते थे. He wanted to ensure that the kids remain active during the winters as well, क्योंकि बर्फ पड़ जाती थी, फील्ड्स बंद हो जाते थे, तो कोई स्पोर्ट्स नहीं खेलता था. So which is why he created this particular sport. He was a Canadian who had come into the USA. He created this particular sport where he had buckets, and then he created some laws of the game also, rules, which he continued using, and that those continued developing as the game developed as well. The actual game started spreading in the 1940s across the world. Interestingly enough, अगर आप यूरोपियन लीग्स को देखेंगे, खासतौर से स्पेन में या जर्मनी में, तो आप बास्केटबॉल क्लब्स के नाम देखिएगा. रियल मैड्रिड, Barcelona, Bayern Munich. That's because the football clubs themselves have started their own basketball clubs to play in that league. So that's how it spread in Europe. Everywhere else, obviously, there are different versions. India में भी leagues हुए हैं. But overall, NBA is the one that dominates. And it dominates so much that sometimes international basketball also takes a backseat. We don't talk about international basketball in terms of the FIBA World Cup as much as we talk about the NBA or who the champions are. We don't talk about basketball unless and until it's during the Olympics and you see LeBron James and the USA team trying to dominate the world. तो USA की ही टीम होती है, LeBron James ही आइकॉन है, and that's because somehow basketball has become synonymous with NBA. तो NBA पर अब दारोमदार आ गया है to spread the game, which is what they're doing. They've invested heavily across the world. Even in India, they've invested a lot. We've had some NBA India games as well, where teams have come in to play a promotional match. We've had NBA scouts coming in to look at talent. So NBA is doing its level best to develop the game of basketball and spread it across the world. But India में क्यों नहीं spread हुआ? और इसके बहुत कारण हैं. पहले आपको ये बता देते हैं, ironically enough, that India is one of the first places where basketball was taken to once it was developed completely. आपको याद होगा मैंने बोला 1891 में शुरुआत हुई थी बास्केटबॉल की, By 1894, a Canadian man had brought basketball to India to be played at the YMCA. तो already spread होने लग गया था. By 1934, in Delhi, there was the first national championship for men that took place. So India has had a background of basketball. It's just that it's not developed the way we wanted to, because of a plethora of reasons. Firstly, basketball in India, when it first started, and till now it's spreading obviously, but till now it was always an urban phenomenon. Schools में आपको basketball court दिखते थे, लेकिन उन schools में जहाँ पे हल्का सा privilege नजर आया आपको. अब वो बात बदल रही है obviously. Now it's going into the hinterlands, it's going into the villages, so the game is spreading a little bit more. But that wasn't the case initially, obviously, because you start from the cities and then you perforate out. The bigger reason is perhaps the fact that the pinnacle of the sport, which is the NBA, that doesn't suit Indian timings. जाहिर सी बात है ना, सुबह 4:30 बजे के मैच होते हैं, सुबह 5:30 बजे के मैच होते हैं. आप अपने काम का दिन थोड़ी ना छोड़ देंगे एक बास्केटबॉल मैच देखने के लिए. कौन सा इंडियन पेरेंट अपने बेटे या बेटी को छुट्टी लेने देगा ताकि वो मैच देखे बास्केटबॉल का और स्कूल ना जाए? कभी ऐसे पेरेंट्स दिखे आपको? हो ही नहीं सकते. तो इसलिए वो जो एक्सपोजर है बास्केटबॉल की वो भी कम नजर आई है from a Bharatiya perspective. So that's the second reason why basketball has not really picked up in this country. But slowly but surely it is. As I said, the NBA is investing. The courts, there are more courts being developed. India is going to the Asian Games as well. 3x3 basketball में वो थोड़ी धूम मचाने लग गए हैं. And ऐसी ही स्टोरीज की वजह से थोड़े उभरते सितारे भी आ रहे हैं. इनको लीजिए. ये है उल्हास KS. ये 26 साल के हैं और कांचीपुरम तमिलनाडु से आते हैं. इनका जिक्र क्यों कर रहा हूं मैं? Because he is the first ever basketball player from India to play in a European league. He went all the way to Moldova to play, and now he's playing in the Serbian league. कहानी कैसी है इनकी? और वो सब की कहानी है जो मैं आपको बता रहा था, प्रॉब्लम about basketball not spreading. इन्हीं के तहत एक मुजाहिरा मिल जाता है. Because when he first wanted to play sports, he wanted to play cricket, but the slots were full. Then he wanted to play football, but the slots were full. Then he wanted to play volleyball, but the slots were full. So that's why he got exposed to basketball. अब उसके बाद वो बास्केटबॉल खेले, मोल्डोवन लीग में गए. वहां से इनकी मशक्कत और इनकी मेहनत इनको पहुंचा चुकी है सर्बिया, जहां पे वो अब खेलते हैं for a club called OKK Novi Pazar. At the point of this taping, Novi Pazar is not doing very well. They were bottom of the league and they haven't registered many wins. तो उम्मीद करते हैं कि जैसे जैसे समय बीत जाए उनकी टीम बेहतर करने लग जाए और उल्हास भी बेहतर करने लग जाए. अब सर्बियन लीग क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है? याद है वो निकोला योकिच जिनके बारे में शुरुआत में बोला था 30-20-20, वो सर्बियन है और वो इसी लीग से उभर कर आए. फुल सर्कल.